Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix DISM stuck at 62.3 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are running DISM on your command prompt on your Windows 10 or 11 and it has been stuck on 62.3, then I will show you how to fix or how to repair this. In this, first you have to open the command prompt, click on search, then type here cmd, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator, click on yes. Here you have to type some of the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste one by one. First copy this command, go to the cmd, right click on the top of this command prompt, click on edit, then click on paste. Again copy the second command, then paste it. The another shortcut method is you can just press Ctrl V to paste. Copy the third command, then press Ctrl V to paste. Copy the fourth, Ctrl V to paste, then hit enter. Then copy the last final command, then paste it here, then hit enter. After seeing this message, now you can try by typing DISM command. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix DISM stuck at 62.3% on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.